Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $2 plus every 60 seconds just to like videos. And this is available worldwide. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It's really going to help out this channel. It's going to help out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about what I'm going to talk about today in this video. Now guys, I have an Instagram page. I'm trying to get more followers on there. So please go to my page. It's called AppGrind. And you're going to learn a lot of stuff about business. And also you can DM me and ask me any questions. If you want to ask me anything about my videos, or if you want to suggest some videos that you want me to make in the future. All right, guys. One other thing, please check in my description below. I have a lot of cool stuff you can check out, a lot of ways that you can make money. And if you have a YouTube channel, I have a way that you can get a lot of views, guys, and to help your YouTube channel to grow. So check that out in the description below. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. Once you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay, family, I'm at the website. Name of this website is Rapid Workers. Now, I have talked about this website before. It's been a while. I want to bring it up again because this is one of the best websites that you can start making money from. And let me just go ahead and then just read a little bit about the website. So, Rapid Workers, tasks are completed fast, projects are very low cost, employees are fulfilled, workers are happy and compensated promptly. Most of all, it simply works. So, what it is individuals and companies here, they come here to hire people to do simple little tasks. So, since you're going to be one of the workers on here, you're going to be liking videos. That's all you're going to be doing, just liking videos. But they got other tasks you can do too. So what I'm going to do, guys, is log into my account and show you how this works. Okay, guys, I'm inside my account. And as you can see here at the top, it says available jobs, tasks I finished, campaigns, your account, your deposit, your withdrawal, and they got some tutorials that you can check out if you want to learn a little bit more about everything on this website. So here are all the tasks right here. Simple little tasks that you can do. But since we're talking about liking videos. What I'm going to do is just type right here where it says job name. I'm going to type YouTube. And all these jobs, all these tasks popped up about YouTube. And as I said before early in the video, that this is available worldwide. So if you're anywhere around the world, when you open up an account, you see international, you'll be able to do that wherever you are. And what you're going to do, guys, you can scroll through here and just look for the tasks where you can like videos. So like this one right here, guys, it says YouTube live stream, like, comment, fast payout. So all you got to do on this live stream is just hit the like button, guys, and you're going to get paid 4 cents. Now I know 4 cents is not a lot, but guys, it only takes a second to hit that like button. And as you see, sometimes you need to watch these videos about 5 minutes. Some of them 2 minutes and some of them are 3 minutes. Here's another one. Watch a YouTube video and like it. 2 minutes long and get 3 cents. But guys, that 3 cents is going to add up because you look at all these tasks. You have a lot of tasks. See, right now, this is all the tasks I have. But every day, you're going to have a lot of tasks that's going to pop up where you can like videos. Or you can just watch videos. Now, if you don't want to do that, you can check out some more available jobs. Just click right here where it says available jobs. And here are other things you can do. So you can sign up, you get 20 cents. So these are a little bit higher. And here's one right here where you can just sign up, you get $1. So here's another one for $1. So guys, you can make a couple of dollars in 60 seconds. Just think about it. Just if you could do it 30 minutes to an hour, guys, that money is going to accumulate. You can make up to $30, $40, $50 probably in an hour, guys. And these are simple little tasks. Now, let me just show you the deposit area on this website. So, you need to have PayPal, guys. So you need to have a PayPal account. It's easy to sign up. And here's the withdrawal area. So to withdraw, your balance need to be $8. You're going to get that. You're going to get that in an hour, guys. So if you want to cash out once you get $8, that's fine. Or you can just keep doing tasks until you get $10, $20, $30. And check this out, guys. Payment will be sent within 24 hours. Isn't that something, guys? So that's all I'm going to say about this method, guys. If you're ready to go ahead and start making this money, liking videos and doing other little tasks, go ahead and go to rapidworkers.com. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. You know why? Because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, one more thing I want to do before I end this video. I do shout outs. So today's shout out will go to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate it. Hope you're a subscriber. Hope you keep watching my videos and keep liking them, and I hope you're sharing them. Okay, family, that's it. Thanks again for tuning in. I hope I brought some value to you guys today. And road to 7,000. Let's get there. We might not make it there by the end of September, because as I'm filming this is September the 28th. We only got 2 more days left, but a miracle can happen. I might get 600 subscribers, and boom, we hit 7,000, and I can give away free money to 2 people. So let's get there, guys. All right, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out some of these other very, very important videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.